Hello and welcome to this Price a Job tutorial. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the project management settings for photos and documents. Price a Job has an array of project management tools to help you organize your company, including an area to keep records of your photos and documents. To access these tools, click on Company in the top navigation bar, and then select Photos. Here you can create a series of folders by clicking on New Folder. For example, we might call this one Drawings. And then on our desktop computer, we can upload the relevant files. These files are stored in the cloud on Price a Job servers so that you can access them wherever you are, from your mobile device, from your office desktop, at home, in the car, on site, from the customer's house, really anywhere. And you can just click on these files to open them up right here within Price a Job and access these anytime as a handy reference. To move files into a folder, simply grab the file and drag it into the folder. To open your folders, just double-click on the folder, and you'll see that the breadcrumb navigation expands to show where you are within the system. And this is very similar to your file management system on Windows or your Mac system. You also have options to view these in either table view, where details such as date, size, and file type are shown, or in grid view, where just the icon is displayed with the file size indicated. If you right-click on any of these files, you can rename the file, get a share link, and this will provide you a URL with which you can share this file directly on the Price a Job server. By clicking this icon here, you copy the link to your clipboard, and when shared, it will allow the recipient to download a copy of the file directly to their system. You can also copy the file, cut it, delete it, download it, or mail it directly from within the Price a Job system. When using the mail function, the mail is sent over the Price a Job servers. Let's head back to our Company tab and back to our Photos tab. You can store as many files as you want on the Price a Job servers, but you are limited to a maximum of 2 gigabytes of data. And we actually have options to save these photos in one of 2 different areas. We can save these under the Photos tab under the Company tab, and this is ideal if we have company-specific files. For example, perhaps we might like to store our company logo. However, for photos that are more project-specific, as opposed to relating to the company in general, we might want to store those in a project folder, and we can store our photos and documents under either the Company tab or the Project tab. So let's take this floor image here, and we will cut this, and let's go to the Project tab, and here we have project management tools for the project. So here we're looking at the project for renovations. So we can select from the drop-down menu here to choose the project that we have photographs for, or we can simply select it from the right-hand pane. So let's go down and find the appropriate project. Here it is, ground floors. We'll select the project. And now under the project management section, we'll select photos. And here we can upload the file. And we'll select our image. And here's our floor diagram stored within the Photo Managements tab of the specific project that it relates to. Now, if you're using Price a Job on a mobile device, your screen will appear more like this. And you have a variety of options here along the bottom, including Photo. And here you can take a photograph directly on your phone, and it will be automatically saved on the Price a Job servers here within this Project Photo Management tab. If you have several folders and files, and we'll just add a couple here quickly, and you're looking to manage several files or folders all at once, you can select the drop-down arrow here to select all items, files and folders, none, only the folders, or only the files. With this, you can select all, and then when you use the drop-down, you can either copy, cut, delete, download, or mail. When managing various files and folders, if you choose to download, all of your items will be assembled into a zip folder and downloaded together as one file. In addition to storing images, Price a Job also has a project management section for storing documents. Just select Documents under either the Project tab or the Company tab. Here we have documents relating to our company. And again, similar to the photographs, we can upload a file. And for example, a document relating to our company might be our certificate of incorporation, and we can store that here under the Company tab. However, for files that are more project specific, we could select Project, and again choose the relevant project that this document relates to, and then select the Documents Management tab, and then we can upload our project-specific documents here within this window. For example, perhaps we might upload an invoice. However, this invoice file has triggered an error. Please choose proper symbols. And the reason for this error is that the file name here contains a symbol, in this case a number symbol. And files stored within the Price of Job file management system are not allowed to have any symbols other than an underscore, a dash, or brackets. So once you have removed the offending symbols, then you'll be able to save your file. However, any additional symbols will trigger an error. And the reason for this is just to make sure that Price of Job understands exactly what format this file is and is able to store the data correctly. Once you're done renaming your file, click OK. And the file is then stored to the Project Documents Management window. And again, similar to the photo management, we can add as many new folders as we wish, and as many files as we wish, up to a limit of 2 GB on the Price of Job server. And we can keep track of our data usage. Here in the top right corner, we can see that currently we're using 1.7 megabytes of a 2 GB limit. And if we right-click on this, we have the same options to rename the file, get a share link, which will allow us to email this URL, and anyone with the link will be able to download this file directly from the Price of Job server. We can copy the file, cut the file, delete it, download it, or mail it. And also, like the photos, we have the options to view this either in grid view or table view, with the various file details including file name, date, size, and file type. If your version of Price of Job does not have the project management modules here, you can easily add it by upgrading your version. Just go to your account features here in the top right and click the drop-down arrow, and then select Shop. And here you'll see the various Price of Job modules that you can add, including project management. The subscriptions can be made on either a monthly or annual basis. And if you're looking to add more than one module, it's highly recommended to upgrade to the All Modules Included, as this does offer the best value. You can see by selecting the modules that the total for buying all 5 would be almost £1,000, compared to only $670 for the All-Included plan. So the All-Included plan does offer you the best value by saving you almost £300. In this case, we're already subscribed to the All-Included plan, so we'll just exit this window by clicking the Start button. That takes us back into the app, and we can go back to our Project Documents Management module and review the documents that are specific to this project. And we can access this no matter where we are, from our mobile device, in our office, or on-site. And that's how to use Price of Job's project management tools for photos and documents. Thank you for using Price of Job.